What's up? We're back in the video, guys. I'm Ralph and Landon. Here is CSX M327 151 freight cars. You're right, 151 freight car train. Big train today, guys. Here we go in the rain. CSX M327 in the rain. 151 freight cars. There is right now. There he is. Sorry about that, guys. A big tripod today so I can hold an umbrella so I don't get too wet. Here we go. Start the train at least. That's pretty good. Sorry about that, guys. Empty telephone pole car right there. There it goes. Pacific boxcar. There it goes. Cars, Conrail, your Central Conrail. Pretty cool. He's moving, guys. Oh man. Your Central Conrail. Black car, and then you can see the end of the train, guys. Here's right now. Here it is. Here comes the end train, guys. Here's right now. Here it is. And there it goes. There it goes, guys. Okay, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos. I'm Ralph and Landon out.